Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Peter. As you know, you can see today I'm going to be talking about the accommodation words or statements or phrases you use when you're looking for accommodation. You know, you are new in a place, you need a hotel, you need to communicate with those people, what you want, and all that stuff. But before we continue, please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that we can move on and we move together and we move smoothly. Hit on that subscribe button down there and we'll be there in a big number. My name is Peter. Thanks for subscribing and thanks for watching. And in order to benefit from this video, you have to watch the whole video and do not skip. Today, let's look at accommodation statements or phrases or words you need when you are looking for accommodation. We have a place where you normally sleep when you are visiting a new place, and that is a hotel. In Luganda, we call it hoteli. Hoteli. That is a hotel. We have what we call a hostel. A hostel. It is called in Luganda a chisulo. A chisulo, a place where you sleep. A chisulo. That is a hostel. You can be looking for a cheap hotel. In Luganda, we say hoteli eya sente ntono. Hoteli ye sente ntono. That is a cheap hotel. Or you can say in the city, Muchibuga. In the city, Muchibuga. But before I continue, I'm going to make for you a video when we are learning how to put these words or these statements into a sentence so that we can communicate with people freely. But you need to know these words before you learn how to use them in the statement. Another one is, do you have rooms? Do you have rooms? That's when you are trying to get a room. In Luganda, you say, Olinawo ebisenge. Rooms, ebisenge. When it is one room, you say, Olinawo ekisenge. Olinawo ekisenge. If you are talking to a person, when all rooms are booked, and that person is from Uganda, you say, all rooms are booked. In Uganda, you say, ebisenge byonna babyekutte. All rooms are booked. Ebisenge byonna babyekutte. You can say, is there hot water? Is there hot water? In Luganda, we say, mulimu amazzi agookya. Mulimu amazzi agookya. You can say, is there cold water? Mulimu amazzi agannyogoga. Hot agookya. Cold agannyogoga. You can say, is breakfast included? Let's say you're paying money and you feel like it's too much and you want to know whether even breakfast is included on that amount. You say, is breakfast included? In Uganda, you say, kuliko ekyenkya. Kuliko ekyenkya. On that money you're paying, you're asking, kuliko ekyenkya. When is breakfast served? When is breakfast served? In Luganda, you say, ekyenkya kigabulwa ddi. Ekyenkya kigabulwa ddi. When is breakfast served? How much is a room? How much is a room? Ekisenge kya sente mmeka. Ekisenge kya sente mmeka. When there are rooms, you say, ebisenge bya sente mmeka. Okay? So, I'm going to make for you another video when I'm teaching you how to use these these words into a statement and you make a full sentence. My name is Peter. That is for today. I wanted to make for you a simple video. So, please subscribe